Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well and having a great week. We've had a lot going on the past month. We celebrated Obi's Gotcha Day a couple of weeks ago and that was so much fun. We made a little bed for him and some gourmet cat treats, and I shared a video of that over on Patreon. I can't believe it's been an entire year since he walked into our house last fall. Even though his arrival was unexpected, I feel like he is one of the best things that have ever happened to me in my life. I am so grateful for him. He's brought us so much joy, and it was really fun to celebrate him by making his Gotcha Day really special. We also just filmed a vampire dinner party, and I've been working on that for the past week. It'll probably be up by the time this video goes up, and those are so much fun to create whenever I do a dinner party or entertaining video, but it's a lot of work. There's recipe testing and filming, creating all the backdrops and all of that, but the end result is always just so much fun, and I think those are probably my favorite videos that I create on my channel. So that was a lot of fun to work on, but whenever I have a lot going on, I always fall behind on things I have to do, like I have to invoice. I always do that at the end of every month for my freelance work, and there are some things I need to clean up around the house. So we're just going to be catching up on some stuff today. And then Alex and I have a really fun date night planned. I'll share more about that later on in this video, but I'm really excited for it. So I'm going to take you with me to get some work done, and we'll catch up in a bit. Well, I hate to say it, but it's probably time to take down the vampire cave. I definitely have a lot more to clean up around the house. Like I was saying earlier, it usually gets really messy around here because we have so much going on. We just don't have much time to clean up the way we would like to during the fall. But I've been wanting to do a really big, deep clean of the house, and I think I'm actually going to do that for next week's video and do kind of a clean with me. So stay tuned for that one. But in the meantime, I'm just trying to kind of put things together, get things in order so we can get through the rest of our week. Also, I went shopping a couple weeks ago for the vampire dinner party, and every store I went into, it was all Christmas display and Christmas stuff out, and I was looking for Halloween stuff and everything was gone. It could have just been the stores that I went into, but it really feels like each year the stores are putting out Christmas stuff earlier and earlier. And don't get me wrong, I love decorating for the holidays and for the seasons. I'm an earlier decorator myself. I like to put things out early, but I feel like several weeks before Halloween feels too early, at least for me. But I'm curious, are you someone who keeps your fall stuff out for a while? When do you usually put stuff away and start decorating for the holidays? I am always torn with this myself with video creation because I want to give you some ideas for stuff you can do to decorate for the holidays, but at the same time, I know a lot of people don't like to feel rushed through the season, so I always struggle a little bit and go back and forth on when I should start making more holiday content. But I'm very much in fall mode right now, especially because the leaves are still beautiful right now where we live. They are still on the trees, so just trying to enjoy all the fall colors and the good weather.
Counting steps to the back porch, same song from the screen door. He was a score on a mountain, waiting for a sign of rain. Card horse with his head down, devoted to a way of being, but he broke wide open. Like a bird in spring, with a divine potion made of love and pain. He was free.
I got all my work wrapped up and now I'm gonna head out on a little date with Alex. So I'm really excited about this. We're gonna go look at the Halloween decorations. It's really cute. There's this little town not too far from us, and they always set up their yards and front porches really cute for all the trick-or-treaters. So we're gonna go take a look at that, and then we're gonna make some dinner and have a movie night at home. So I'll see you all in a little while. It was so much fun seeing all the houses and Halloween decorations, and it's really cool seeing how creative people are and all the things they come up with when they decorate for the trick-or-treaters. So I'm really glad we got to go and do that. So we are going to make some dinner. We're making an autumn sheet pan dinner, and this is a really easy recipe. It just calls for sweet potato, Brussels sprouts, sausage, and apples, and then it has like a few different seasonings and spices. So we're gonna make that for dinner really quick, and then we'll start our movie night.
I think about that summer day when I went on my first date. We danced in an empty parking lot to a song I since forgot. And the first time I held his hand, I thought this boy could be a man. We must have been watching a movie, and the rest is history. As long as you remember me and all the ways I used to be, a part of me will always be 18. And time keeps ticking on, it's true. She'll steal away our youth, but that's how I'll remember me and you. That's how I'll remember me and you.
Is it good? Ooh.
Movie time.
Is that off?
No goodbyes. No love stories.
Thank you so much for watching, friends. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you all have an amazing week. I will see you next time.